Find the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix with entries 1, 2, 5, -2, -3, 2, 3, 5, and 3. To figure out this determinant, we're going to have to write it in terms of some 2 by 2 determinants, just like we did the last problem. Let's write it out and figure out what it's going to be. So we need to focus on the entries in the first row, which are 1, 2, and 5. And we need to rewrite this determinant as the sum of multiples of 2 by 2 determinants with these 3 coefficients. So we've got 1 times the determinant that we get if we remove this row and this column. So it'll just have these 4 entries, -3, 2, 5, and 3. Then we need to subtract the next entry, -2, times the determinant of the matrix we get if we delete the row and column that 2 is in. So that's going to leave us with -2, 2, 3, and 3. And then plus that last entry, 5, times the determinant we get if we delete the row and column that 5's in. So that leaves us with -2, -3, 3, and 5. Let's figure out what each of these determinants is. First, we have 1 times the first determinant. And to get the first determinant, we take -3 times 3, which is -9, minus 5 times 2, which is 10. Then we have -2 times the second determinant. And to get the second determinant, we take -2 times 3, which is -6, minus 3 times 2, which is 6. And then we have plus 5 times the third determinant. And to figure that out, we've got -2 times 5, which is -10, minus 3 times -3, which is -9. But if we're subtracting -9, it's the same as just adding 9. So I'm going to write that as -10 plus 9. Now we can figure out what each of these quantities in the parentheses is going to be. We've got -19 there. We've got -12. And then we have -1 inside the third set of parentheses. When we multiply, this gives us -19 plus 24 minus 5. And -19 plus 24 is +5, and +5 minus 5 is 0. So in the end, the determinant of this original matrix is going to be 0. When you take linear algebra later on and you study matrices and determinants in more detail, you're going to see some interesting facts about matrices that have determinants equal to 0.